Bella was a bright blue butterfly who loved flying in the sunshine. One morning, she saw a lonely flower in the corner of the garden. The flower's name was Flora, and she looked a little sad. Bella gently flew over and said, "Hi, why are you sad?" Flora sighed. "No one ever visits me. I'm all alone." Bella smiled and said, "Not anymore. I'll be your friend." Every day, Bella came to visit Flora, danced around her, and told her stories. Flora began to smile, and soon her petals bloomed brighter than ever. Other butterflies and bees came too, and the garden became full of joy. From that day on, Bella and Flora were best friends forever. Moral: a little kindness can bring big happiness.